Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can work on video editor in Canva. So if this is the first video you are watching on our channel and you want to see the complete Canva playlist, check out the description, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let's learn how to create video in Canva. So first of all, for the sample, you can click on videos so that you can get to the interface where you can create your own video. So from the main interface, I'll click on videos, and you can basically use any type of format that you want to make your video on. If you want to make a Facebook video for promotion, you can use this, or video message, or a YouTube video. So click on the relevant video, and the first one is for blank. So I'll click on this. It is of this size, 1920 by 1080 pixels. So let's create it. So in this interface, there is a little bit change of what we are used to see in the earlier formats, and that is you cannot scroll it page by page. Rather, it will show you the timeline, which will show the time defined for each slide. So as you add pages to it, it will define the specific time for it, and you can reduce or increase the time as you require for that particular video or for that particular slideshow. Now by default, let's say if I want to change the color of the first slide, let's change the color, and let's put a heading as well. And let's put a heading. I'll go to text and click on heading. Now as this is the static page, it won't matter that if the timing is of 5 seconds or more. In this static page, this slide basically only shows for 5 seconds like this. You can reduce the timing if you want, like scrolling it down, or you can edit it from here as well. The other thing that you can do is you can add the actual videos with it, like stock videos, let's say. So I'll go to the second slide. Okay, let's delete this page and I'll insert a new page. And let's go to the elements now. And let's move to the videos section. I'll click on see all, and let's say I want this video. So I'll just drag and drop here, and I'll adjust the corners just to fit it on the screen like this. Now this video is of 10.4 seconds. So if you want to reduce the time of it, you can reduce the time. If you want the specific scene to be included in your overall video or in your presentation from the specific stock footage, then what you can do is you can apply the split. I'll right click here and I'll split the page from here, and let's say up to here you want. So I'll right click and split again, and these timelines, then you can delete that. Also, if you want to, let's say, insert more images, you have the option. You can enter a specific image in between, or you can enter it afterwards on a second page. So if my cursor is right here, or you click on this add page, you can insert it here like this, drag and drop. And similarly, if you want to apply the cut or reduce the time of that specific video, you can do so. If you want to cut it from the starting and you only want to play the end, then this is how you will reduce the time from either this corner or this corner. Now, if your video has multiple frames or multiple scenes in it and you want to cut a specific point, then it's very difficult if you are unable to see the exact timing of it. For this, Canva has provided a feature to make it convenient for you. You will click on the zoom page, and then the zoom function will increase or zoom the timeline so that you can identify that exact scene where you want to apply the cut. Because if I zoom out, it's very difficult to find a scene from here. If you are zoomed out completely, it's very difficult to identify the particular scene. So when you are editing in a project, you need to zoom in to see the proper timeline so that you can identify the each scenes. And when you change it back to zoom to thumbnails, now the zoom function will be used to increase the size of the thumbnail that you can see here. And let's see if you want to apply cut like here. I'll just select the point from the mouse cursor and then just right click and split page, and then let's say I deleted that. If you want to undo, you can always use the Control Z or undo from here on the top. Or if you want to see that scenes back, you can increase the size of the timeline so that you can see the entire clip. Now, if you want to add a title on the screen, but after some time on this specific video, for example, this video clip is of 13 seconds and you want to display the text after, let's say, 6 seconds. So at this point, you can see the timeline right here. This is like 7 seconds something, or okay, on this point. So let's see how we can do that. If we insert text like this, let's see what it does. It will include the heading from the starting point. We don't want that. So what you can do is you can always apply the split on this point. Now, if you want to see the exact area, you can use this zoom page option, and then you can increase the timeline so that you can identify the exact point where you want the text to be displayed. So for example, like right here, I'll cut at 7 seconds. I'll right click and apply the split. And from here, I can include the heading on this page. And let's see if I make it a little fancy like this. And let's see, I change the color and enter some effects like a background or a shadow, or if I want to animate that as well, fade or something like this. And let's write here beautiful countryside. So now it is going to play like this. Let's play it from the second slide. So this is how it will play the video. And to play or stop, you can use it either from here, or you can use the space bar to play or to pause. And from here, you can also define how you want the slide to be changed. You can click on this plus sign between these two slides, and there is an option of add transition. You can change it to the next slide like this, or you want to slide it here. The options you usually see on like Filmora or Final Cut Pro as well. It's not obviously that much of advance as the professional video editor software, but for Canva, as in editing or a graphic designing tool that are only supposed to make like posters or something, this video creation interface is quite handy and quite useful, and it's also very easy to use. So let's say if I click on dissolve, from here I can set the duration. It will either dissolve quickly, or you can increase the dimming time from here. So let's say play it now. It will play something like this. And similarly, it's particularly useful where the scenes are changing. For example, here you will notice a cut here from the second slide. So you can smooth that out like this one. I can smooth that out with this transition effect. So I'll click on dissolve, and let's see now what is the effect of it. So it looks a little bit professional to add transitions to the scenes so that the cut between the scenes should look smooth. Now, when your scenes are final, you can play it on the full screen from here, this option, preview, or you can use this. But this one is better to show it on full screen. Look something like this, and it says whenever you want to exit from the scene, you can just press escape and you will be back on this interface. You can hit close or otherwise escape again, and you are on your main interface now. So this is how you can make the video of your own. Obviously, this is not a complete project. We are just learning the tools. We will cover the complete projects in a separate area. But let's just say that if I want to use some templates of it, you can use the templates from here. If you go to the templates, you will see different templates here. And there are many templates that you can use. So let's say I want to use this one. And if I apply to all 6 pages, it will ask you that do you want to replace all pages with the template that you were creating. I'll replace all the pages in this case, and this is a complete video that you can edit on your own. So let's play this video. It might have some audio as well. Some templates have the audio, so you can change the color scheme as well, whatever you like, and then you can edit it according to your requirements. So for example, in this case here, it has inserted the video in this particular frame, like this. So you can replace it with your own videos. Otherwise, let's just go to the video again, and let's use something that has only pictures. Or let's say if you want to greet someone, you can use this, apply to all pages. So this is how it will show, and you can delete any of that picture and you can upload your own picture, let's say like this. Similarly, on the next slide, you can replace it with the other image, and or let's just use the stock photos. Let's write happy here, like this, like this. So this is how you can easily edit and make it your own. And it will play out something like this. So it's pretty awesome. You can explore the templates as well, and in many cases what you might only need is the right template for you to edit, or otherwise you can create it from the scratch if you want. And again, not just that, you can insert a photo in that particular frame. You can use any video if you want. So for example, if I want a video in here, I'll go to elements and let's say a video. So this is my video. I'll replace it with this and it will play out something like this. So pretty convenient, right? And that is the speciality of Canva when you were especially trying to make videos, that you will find thousands of it for free. And right now I'm using educational version for it. And if you don't want to buy pro account for a costly price, what you can do is you want to use all these templates. Now, most of these templates can only be found under a pro version, and I'm using an educational version, which is kind of pro version because you can use all the templates for free. And if you're using the free account and you want to practice more or use it professionally, you can always opt for an educational account. So if you don't want to opt for pro account right now, if you see prices, it's monthly $6.49, which is not much, and yearly it's $54.99. Otherwise, what you can do is you can opt for educational account. Many people on Facebook are providing this service. You can write Canva premium account for sale and you will see multiple posts. You will change it to post from here and you will see it here, whichever offer you like. For example, this one is a good offer and you can get all of this in a fraction of price. It says one-time payment, lifetime warranty, 71 million free photos. You will unlock all the graphics, all the videos, and you will also get the background remover, which is a wonderful tool. And you can find many different options that you only find in the pro account or premium account. You can WhatsApp them. So they are charging only $2 to $3 for lifetime one-time payment. So this is pretty nice. You can contact them. You can check out the other offers as well. There are many of them. Only in $5 you can get the lifetime access. So they are providing this service. So anyways, the point I was trying to make here is, if you can't get access to the templates that I showed you here, you can always upgrade your version to Pro or the educational, that is a premium version as well. So basically this templates provide you a great starting point. You can experiment with that. Just try to search for your particular requirement, for example a birthday, and you can use any of these templates and just play around with that template. And let's say this is the birthday scene and you want to insert your own. You can go to uploads and videos that you want to upload, or in this case I'll just use the demonstration to show you as an example. For example, this one is the video that you actually uploaded and you want to use this one. So let's replace it with here and replace this one with this. Make sure the format is same, like it's portrait and it's portrait here as well. So don't use the landscape videos, so that it fits in properly, and like this. And this is our scene now. This is our customized wish now. You can play it on full screen. So it's really fun to play with all these templates, and you will be amazed by how quickly you are able to produce a scene or video for yourself. So this is how you can easily edit your videos in Canva using these templates. It's fun to play, it's very easy to customize, and you can try and play around with it. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.